Decode Your Mind is a one-day program that marks your entry into the decode journey. The decode journey is a journey of yourself, of understanding yourself, figuring out deeper aspects of your personality, and then taking corrective measures to bring your life back on track to where you want it to be. And of course, it all starts with your mind. So what can you expect in this one-day program with Ekaa? In Decode the Mind, you figure out the structure of the mind, the working of the human mind, the partitioning of the conscious and the subconscious mind. You figure out the different routes by which you can access this area for yourself. You also begin to get an insight on the how and why that drives your communication, your language, the way you behave with others as a starter. And most important, we sign off the program with learning self-hypnosis, which is an extremely powerful tool that gives you uninhibited access to your subconscious mind for you to be able to program it with the very attributes that you would love to live in your life. Remember, what starts with your mind continues into your body, and what continues in your body expresses itself in the world outside of you. That's Decode 1 for you.